What's up, YouTube? So, it's been a busy week. I'm putting out a video almost every like 3 days. That's fucking amazing. So, I am painting the engine bay. I am good at spray cans. I was learning the gun, and prep work is everything, and I didn't prep as well as I thought I should. So I got some fish eyes here and there. And what else was there? Yeah, and color distribution, trying to figure out the gun settings, not trying to drag the hose through stuff. I mean, it is an engine bay. I'm painting into a box, not over a box. So, yeah, let's cut to pre-paint and yada yada. So, here we are painting the engine bay. This is some weird Ford white. This is the first coat. I'm just trying to put something on here that will repel the brake fluid and stuff, other than just normal rattle can. So it is some sort of Shopline, PBG, Shopline shit. So this is the first coat. Doesn't look much better than the primer. Any runs in it, it is, because I didn't wet sand that spot good enough, like right over there. But there's going to be so much fucking shit that goes in here, it doesn't matter. I just wanted something that wasn't just black like every other hot rod. And with white, I can see my leaks and whatnot. But yep, there we go. As for my tape job, use what you got. I'm just spraying the engine bay and part of the cowl. So there we go. We are painting. I am using, what is this thing called again? A Graco FX300. Yeah, it's going to suck trying to clean all this shit off, but that's why I bought that gun stuff, or gun cleaner. But, yeah, I mean, it's not the biggest can on it. It's good for touch-ups and painting small stuff. So, I was able to spray all this with one coat. I did wax and grease remover. Now, as for any additional prep, yeah, it's all in the prep, and I didn't prep this the greatest. I probably should have used some seam sealer in the shock tower spots right there and there, but hey, I'll come back to it later. So yeah, prep work is everything. I should have rolled the tape backwards or left a lip so it would have feathered instead of having such a hard line on the upper cowl. So right here, I don't know if you can see that, but there is a sharp line that needs to be cleaned and whatnot. So granted, that's where the fenders and the hood meets up, is right at that line. There's supposed to be some weather stripping as well, but hey, that's life. If I left the tape lifted up, it would have feathered underneath and it would have been better and not have such like a sharp line like this right here. But you see how it feathered out on the dimples here because the tape popped up. It would have been a better blend here, but as you see, it's white. It's all white, or all right, yeah. So that is it, people. The bay is painted. It needs to dry for probably a good couple days. Let the paint harden before I even attempt to try to wet sand it, if I'm even going to do that. It is just an engine bay. Worst comes to worst, if I think this looks foul, I may come back and just get this Raptor liner in a can. I mean, the texture comes out really nice. I mean, it's a light eggshell, and it's allegedly epoxy based. Do I still have a can of it? Hold on, people. Let's see what I have in my selection here. Nope, rubberized coating. Alright, so I'm out of that one, but I could get more of it. But so I'm probably going to spray the front grille with this, or with that stuff as well, to just blacken it out, or not grill, but behind the grill area, the front valance. But I think it came out nice. It's shiny. Yeah, there's specks of dirt and shit in there, but like I said, I should have prepped a little bit more. Maybe actually hosed it all off and then cleaned it with the wax and grease remover, and taped up all the holes so that way um, the air didn't blow stuff in the hole. And then, anyways, thanks for liking, and peace out.